In this short video, I'm going to show you step by step how to set ship from address or return address in your TikTok shop seller center. So basically, this address is a must to fill out in your TikTok shop, and without filling out that address, you cannot start selling. Because if you have watched my past video in this TikTok shop free video series, I have made a video on 3 possible shipping methods from TikTok shop, like in which you can either ship the parcel by yourself, or you can either let TikTok shop person go on your warehouse or on your house and pick up that product and ship to your customer. And the third method was fulfillment by TikTok, in which you send all of your inventory to their warehouse so they can actually manage and handle your shipment and storing, so you can just focus on the marketing and getting sales. So if you haven't watched that video, go there and watch that after watching this video, because no matter which shipping method you are using, like you are shipping the product to your customer by yourself or you are taking TikTok shop service, you need to put that address. Because if you are shipping the product by yourself, then you must have to put your address, your home address or your warehouse address from where you are shipping, because in case if your customer don't like the product or there is any fault in that product, so the customer or TikTok shop must know like which is the return address. And in the second case, if you are using ship by platform, so in that method, whenever you get the order, so someone from TikTok shop partner service will go to your home or warehouse and pick your product and deliver it to your customer. So basically in that case, they must need to know that from which warehouse or which address they need to pick up the parcel. So in any case, you need to put that address from where you have to ship the product or where you have stored your inventory. It can be your home address or it can be your warehouse address, right? So it's super easy, 2 minutes process. So now let me show you on my computer screen like how to do that. But before getting started, if you are tired of the daily grind, then let's build the life of freedom together. Join my Facebook group where people of all ages are actually learning how to create passive income by online selling and affiliate marketing with no money. And after joining that Facebook group, you can just shoot me up the message. Then as per your condition, I will guide you the exact roadmap that will actually work. Because if you are not able to make money online yet, that means you are just watching YouTube videos, you are having too many information in your mind and you don't know where to start. So if you learn from my proven strategies which actually work, then you will be able to achieve your goal. So let's start your journey today. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I'm on my laptop right now, and from here I have opened my TikTok shop seller center. So basically on the left side, you can see a menu in which there are multiple options like orders, product, homepage, marketing, affiliate. So if you just click on homepage, you can see there is a 4-step to get up and running. So basically, if your TikTok shop account is new, you can see this 4-step, and in order to start selling your products on TikTok shop, you need to fill out and complete all of those 4 steps, right? So you can see that the number 1 step is tell us about your business, like put all of your information, and then in step number 2, get your shop ready, like set up shipping, and step number 3 is add your first product, and step number 4 is connect your shop with a TikTok account. So basically, here you can see that I have completed 3 steps, but not the 4th step. But on your side, if your account is new, so all of your steps will be incompleted. So in order to put the shipping address, you have to focus on this second step, which is set up shipping. So if I just click on view here, because I have completed that step, but from your side, if that step is incompleted, you will be able to see the add address button here, right? So just click on that. And then from here, you can see that there are 2 options. Number 1, warehouse and pickup address, and number 2, return warehouse address. So these 2 are the things which I have just explained you. Like in case your customer don't like the product or they have to return, so TikTok shop must know the return warehouse address where they can actually return the product, right? And in second case, if you are using TikTok shop platform services like ship by platform, so in that case, they must need to know like what is the pickup warehouse address where their person can actually go and pick up the parcel to ship to your customer, right? So here you can see that I have put the same address in both of the places, like in return warehouse and in pickup warehouse address. So basically on your side, if you haven't added that address, so you will be able to see an add address button here. So from there, you can simply on that button and then fill out that form, give that address a name like GB pickup warehouse, put your name, put your contact number and address, and then click on save. So by doing that, your return or pickup warehouse address will be safe and you can easily start selling from your TikTok shop. And if I go on this left side menu and click on orders, so from here I can see some tab like manage returns, shipping setting and fulfillment setting. So if I just click on shipping setting, so from here you can see that there are 2 options. Number 1, ship via platform, and number 2, ship by seller. So from the right side, you can see that I'm using both options. Like ship by seller is turned on, and if I go up, so you can see that ship via platform is also turned on. So in this case, if I use this service, so basically these are a standard shipping company, EVRI, DPD UK. So these company will be responsible to ship my product to my customer. So in both of the cases, I need to add that return address. And if on your side, you have not added that, so you will not be able to turn on these 2 buttons on your site, and you cannot either use ship by platform or ship by seller. So some people are basically asking me questions in my Facebook group, like when they click on shipping setting, they are not able to turn on these two buttons. So if you're not able to turn on these two buttons, then you have to put the address just I have shown in this video. So after watching this video, go there, put your address, and keep watching my other videos in the same playlist if you want to grow your online business and start making good sales from TikTok shop. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you really enjoyed the video and learned something great from it. So if you find my content really informative and helpful for you, then make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel as well, so you can watch more and more videos like this in future. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.